Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Steve with LRM. Today we're going to talk about optimize idle in your Freightliner Cascadia. But before we get started, guys, don't forget to pound that like button when you like or even love those videos. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, don't forget to leave me a comment out at the bottom, as well as guys, subscribe. We're here to save you some money and learn a little bit more about your truck. If your truck is equipped with optimize idle, and I've had customers ask if it does, I'm going to show you where to locate it on your truck and how to activate it. So there's a few things you need to know about optimize idle, right? One, it's there to help you save money on fuel consumption. What it does is it's to maintain the temperature inside your cab. So when you're driving all day and you got it nice and comfortable in your truck, what you're going to do is you're going to stroll through it, hit the optimize idle, and the truck will maintain that temperature anywhere between, I want to say, negative or positive between 5 and 10 degrees, right? And what it will do is it'll turn off because it met the temperature, and then when it starts decreasing in temp, the truck will automatically kick on by itself to maintain that comfort level, as well as save you on your fuel consumption. Now, if your truck doesn't have it, there's a possibility that you could get it programmed on your truck. You unfortunately would have to go to a dealership for that. On this Freightliner 2020 that I have, I'm going to show you where to look for if your truck has optimized idle. So let me show you right now. On the left side of your steering wheel, this is where you're going to control the toggling between the screens, right? You're going to look on your display screen right here, which I call it the ICU. As you can see on top, there's certain tabs, right? You have a house, a steering wheel, a truck, a wrench, a sign for music, and a setting sign. What you want to do is stroll over to the truck side, right? So I'm going to toggle over. Now on the left side, you'll see one dash light up in blue and the rest are in white. So toggle down, right? What you're going to do is stroll through this area, and this is where you're going to find, do a regen. This tells you about tire pressure monitoring if you have it. Also, if your differential is locked, because it'll tell you. And here it is, vehicle settings. So this one has two, right? An idle adjustment and optimize idle. Idle adjustment is like if you just want to have your truck ramped up and the RPMs, and that's it. And if you did want that, all you have to do is hit OK, then it'll highlight the area. So if you were gonna idle up this particular truck right now, you would hit OK, hit it again, and then it'll switch over to idle up, just like that. Just arrow up to get the RPMs. All right, now if you wanna deactivate it, you can deactivate it. All right, now if you wanna go back to the screen, you see the little back arrow, you just hit that and it comes back. But we've been talking about optimize idle, which this truck has. So we're going to go to optimize idle. Keep in mind, you want your truck at the temperature that you feel comfortable in before activating this. So right now we've been in this truck for about maybe 30 minutes. Feels pretty comfortable and I want to activate it. I'm going to hit the OK button and just follow the instructions, right? To avoid blah, 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 that kind of stuff. Gear selected, optimize is enabled. Press OK to enable it. You're gonna do that. Cold stability, battery mode, fault on, select on the enable. Interior comfort, you're gonna put on. Then you're gonna enable it by hitting OK. Standby, the engine may start and stop automatically. So that's it. You'll see a little indicator here. You don't have to do anything else other than let the truck do its thing. Get comfortable, go to bed. The truck's gonna turn off. It's gonna ramp up all the comfort levels that you're looking for and to save you money on your fuel consumption. As you guys can see, it was easy. All right, now you learned something new about your truck today, if you have it. All right guys, so as you can tell, it was very easy to determine if your truck had optimized idle. Now, to activate it, as you can see, it was very easy. Just remember to get your truck at a comfortable level before starting it. If you guys like what you saw today, don't forget to pound that like button. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment at the bottom. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. We're here to save you some money.